In this video, I'm going to show you how to make a 4-way aerial splitter using a 2-way splitter and a 3-way splitter. Now I'm going to connect them together in such a way that we get one aerial feed in and 4 outputs that can go to different TVs in different rooms. In this particular arrangement, I have put the aerial input into the input of the 3-way splitter, and then using one of the outputs of the 3-way splitter that goes into the input of the 2-way splitter. After I've connected all the coax cables as shown, I will then use aerial clips to hold them down. Now here the aerial signal goes into the input of the 3-way splitter, and as you can see, the outputs, there are 3 outputs on the 3-way splitter. One of them then goes into the input of the 2-way splitter. Now you may have noticed there are red lines on the inputs and outputs of both the splitters. These are for a DC bypass, so that it can drive a masthead amplifier or any other item that requires 12 volts. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you could like, share and subscribe, I'll be most grateful.